Will the market rally tomorrow? Or are we heading for a big fall? Today, we're breaking down everything, from global cues to technical levels. If you're a trader or investor, this video is a must-watch. Watch till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's dive into today's full market prediction report. The market closed at a key level today. The index moved today, gaining or falling by a notable margin. It closed higher or lower compared to yesterday. The biggest impact today was seen across several important sectors. Today's top gainers helped support the broader market. On the losing side, several stocks created pressure on the indexes. Large institutional investors remained active during today's session. Other major market participants also influenced today's trading. Trading volume was an important signal to watch today. Now let's look at what's happening in global markets. In the US, the Dow Jones remains one of the key signals for tomorrow. The Nasdaq is especially important because technology stocks continue to drive market sentiment. The S&P 500 gives us another important clue about overall market direction. Overseas markets can influence investor confidence before the next opening bell. So tomorrow, watch global futures and overseas market signals closely. The biggest question now is whether investors are feeling confident or cautious. Current sentiment suggests traders are waiting for stronger confirmation. That means even a small headline could create a bigger than usual market reaction. News flow will remain one of the biggest drivers of tomorrow's session. Investors will also be watching the economic calendar for important updates. Inflation, jobs, and interest rate expectations can quickly change market sentiment. Any change in expectations for Federal Reserve policy could move stocks sharply. Higher rate expectations can pressure growth stocks, while lower rate expectations can support them. Keep an eye on Treasury yields because they often influence equity valuations. The 10-year Treasury yield is one of tomorrow's most important market signals. The 10-year Treasury market signals. Now let's move to the technical picture. The first level traders should watch is the nearest major support zone. Above the market, resistance could determine whether buyers can push prices higher. Think of these levels as the battlefield between buyers and sellers. A strong move above resistance could signal increasing bullish momentum. But rejection from resistance could bring sellers back into control. Moving averages can provide another useful confirmation signal. Watch whether the short-term trend remains above the longer-term trend. The longer-term trend.
Momentum indicators can also tell us whether the market is becoming stretched.
If momentum stays neutral, the market could remain range-bound before choosing a direction. Technology stocks will remain one of the biggest groups to watch tomorrow. Strength in major technology companies could provide support for the broader indexes. Semiconductors are especially important because they often lead market momentum. Financial stocks are another group that could influence the market's direction. Energy stocks will also react to changes in oil prices and geopolitical developments. Healthcare can provide a more defensive signal if investors become cautious. Consumer stocks can reveal whether investors are willing to take on more risk. The strongest sectors could lead tomorrow's rally, while weak sectors may drag on the indexes. When several major sectors move in the same direction, the market trend becomes much stronger. For tomorrow, keep technology, financials, energy, and volume on your watch list. Let's start with the bullish scenario. If the index opens strong and holds above resistance, buyers could gain control. A breakout supported by strong volume would make the move more convincing. Strong technology stocks could then push the broader market even higher. In that situation, short-term momentum could turn decisively bullish.
The next upside target would be the following major resistance area.
A series of higher highs and higher lows would strengthen the bullish case. That would suggest buyers are willing to defend higher prices. But now let's look at the bearish scenario. If support breaks decisively, sellers could quickly gain momentum. A breakdown with heavy volume would be a warning sign for bulls. Weakness in technology could accelerate a broader market decline. Investor fear could increase if the market loses several important levels. If several major sectors decline together, the selling pressure could become much stronger. The next major support level would then become the key area to watch. That's why traders should avoid assuming that one direction is guaranteed. So what's the game plan for tomorrow? First, don't rush into a trade during the first few minutes of volatility. Let the opening range develop, and watch which side takes control. A confirmed breakout favors the bulls, while a confirmed breakdown favors the bears. Always define your risk before entering a position. And remember, protecting your capital is more important than chasing every market move. Our strongest clues will come from global markets, technical levels, volume, and sector leadership. My expectation is to stay flexible and let price action confirm the next major move. That's the market outlook for tomorrow. Trade smart, manage your risk, and I'll see you in the next video.